This traditional market is also known as Green Bazaar and it stands as a landmark in the heart of the Almaty city. At Green Bazaar, you can see a wide variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, spices, all different kinds of meat, dairy products, nuts, dried fruits, and traditional Kazakh delicacies. The Green Bazaar in Almaty, Kazakhstan is a vibrant and bustling marketplace. It offers a sensory feast of colors, aromas, and local culture. Let's walk through this market and see the colorful spices and nuts we get there. What you see here is Macedonia nuts, apricots, cashew nuts, almonds, dates, pista, hazelnuts. Can you see the colorful dried fruits there? Cranberry, pineapple, kiwi, cherry, dates. Then here you can see some colorful spices. That's saffron, ground anise, garlic, then black coriander, basil dry, red in color, then the pilaf mix, then the barbecue mix. Here you can see different branded items of spices. Whole and ground spices are also available. It's just like in our country, you get all ground spices. Here I can see some cinnamon, what I could recognize. Then some ground homemade powders also were available. Can you see? Can you see the different variety of fruits and vegetables now? Very colorful. All common fruits but looked very exotic. Oranges, apples, pomegranate, bananas, melons, muskmelon. Here's a vegetable shop, cauliflower, different types of tomato, chilies, capsicum, garlic, carrots, and potatoes, different varieties of potato and pumpkin. Here you see dried apple and dried pear. Here's the fruit section. You see pears, mandarin oranges, peaches, grapes, watermelon, dragon fruit, mango, apple, oranges, different varieties of oranges and apples. All the colorful kiwi fruit, then pineapple, grapes, good variety, oranges also. It was arranged very neatly and looks so attractive, this market. Muskmelon, then mangosteen, that's an exotic fruit. In the vegetable section you see cauliflower, different chilies, different types of tomatoes, garlic, potatoes, pumpkin. Here you see dried apple and pear again. Again this is the fresh fruit stall. Very attractive, isn't it? Colorful also. It was all neatly arranged and it was a very clean market. Yeah, can you see? Hope you are enjoying this virtual tour. Then here you see different varieties of grapes, apples, pears, oranges, melons. This is another section of the market. Here you get all fresh salads which are prepared by these women here. It's all readily available. Here you see different type of cookies, bread and biscuits. Another variety of cheese is dried cheese. It's available as small balls. I'll just show you. You could see it everywhere. Yeah, this is all the canned items. Here you see some bottled items and some dal protein. Yeah, and here this is the cheese which I was mentioning. It was all fermented cheese and in different varieties. Yak cheese, goat cheese, many. This is all some snack varieties. Again the cheese, I think. Yeah, it's the cheese balls which I was telling you. The dried cheese which is available everywhere. Yeah, and then bread, biscuits, cookies, many colorful varieties. What we get in our local bakeries, you can see here it's properly packaged and kept there. And now we come to the non-vegetarian section. Can you believe this is non-veg section? It's so clean. So you can see all the butchering going on here. They have the ready-made cut meat and they just wait and give it to you. So this is the poultry section where you see eggs, and chicken legs, whole chicken, different varieties of egg, quail eggs. Can you see? Yeah. As I walk across to another section of the market, here also butchering going on. Ready cut meat is available already. So they had goat, beef, horse meat is a specialty there. So I just went through the market here. See, that's beef. Then the next one is horse. Yeah, this is the horse meat section. So you can see all the meat hanging there, like sausages, then the leg and different parts of the horse. Can you see the local women there? Most of the butchering is done by the women there. This is all horse meat. Now this is chicken, whole chicken, quail, different types marinated also is available. Here also you see chicken. It's all peeled and ready to eat. This market is run by mostly local women, and I think you enjoyed this virtual tour. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.